This video is made possible with the help of reliable carriers. They take your Porsche seriously.
Thank you all for being here. Welcome. We are happy to have you here for our little grand opening. We hope this is something that people will enjoy, and that's the emphasis is on enjoy. You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
My name is Brandon Starks. I'm the executive director at the Brumos Collection, and that's where we are today. Tonight what we're doing is we're celebrating the grand opening of the Brumos Collection, which was once a private collection that we're now making a public museum space for everyone to enjoy. So the inspiration of the building itself was really driven by Dan Davis that owns the cars that are in the collection. He's always liked the way that the old Ford plants looked, and we took inspiration from a local Ford plant that's located in downtown Jacksonville. So we have large skylighted windows that play off the architecture of that building. The process started when we sold our dealerships in 2016. We needed a place to put our collection of cars that we already had. And so that's how we initially designed our facility, and that's the purpose. It has been a private collection for a very long time. It was invitation only, no pictures, very closed off, very few people knew about it. And initially that was the plan for this building. And somewhere along the line, Dan decided, no, we need to open this up. It's important that others learn about the people and the cars that they created, and that's what the plan is. So we have basically two sections. We call the older cars, or our open wheel cars, the Forerunners. And then we have a Porsche section, because that's what we are known for. And we have a pretty robust selection of Porsches for people to learn about and see. So in order to find out about us a little bit more, you can go to our website, which is www.thebrumoscollection.com. We're also active on social media, so at the Brumos Collection you can find us. And that's where you can go to find out more information or buy tickets online. All tickets are pre-sale only, so it's important that people go there before showing up.